What is going on, guys, and welcome back to Terry's Theories. This is Terry. Hey, so I want to share with you guys some objects that I found with the Helio viewer. Now, what we're looking at here on the very bottom is going to be the planet Venus, and then right above it is what I want to share with you guys. Now, this looks to be, a triangular shaped object, a very large triangular shaped object. And the date that this was discovered was November the 12th, 2015. You can see the time step on the bottom left. Now, within itself, that is being pretty cool. But what I find pretty interesting is that I found it again on 2018, October the 11th. Now, it appears to be the same object. Now, I could be mistaken, but it's pretty close in the same shape and the same size. And I found that pretty interesting, and I wanted to share that and a few others with you guys. Now, this type of artifact has been seen quite a lot. Now, they could be a number of things. Some people call them cigar-shaped UFOs. NASA calls it debris. They say that when the SOHO spacecraft is impacted by dust or any other foreign body, that a piece of the insulation, gets knocked off and it shows up like this. I'll let you decide what you believe that this may be. So we got Stereo A, Core 2. Now we got three objects either flying away or flying into the sun. What do you imagine that these objects could be? Are we looking at dust, rock, and iron, or are we looking at some kind of technology? Now, right here we're looking at LASCO Core 2. And I'd like to show you a close-up of this image. Now, it appears to be a triangular shaped image. What do you guys think about that? Now, every one of these images that I'm showing you are actual objects that have been recorded by the SOHO spacecraft. These objects are real, and they are in our solar system. And they got caught passing by our sun. Now, we're still in LASCO Core 2, and this looks like a wedged object that is traversing past the sun. Alright, right here we have Stereo A, Core 1. And we have a ring-shaped or donut-shaped object, massive in size. What do you believe this is? Are we looking at dust on the lens? Are we looking at debris? Do we really have a ring-shaped or donut-shaped object this massive? What is it doing next to our sun? Some people say that these saucer-shaped crafts and cigar-shaped crafts use our sun for fuel. Helium-3 is a byproduct of the sun. It's on the sun, it's on the moon. Is that what's going on here? You decide. Leave me a comment. Alright, guys, this diagram shows the inner planets. Mercury, Saturn, Jupiter, and Venus. The center part is the sun, and of course these four planets, the inner four, rotate around the sun. Now I'm showing you that so I can explain this. There is a large planet-sized object that sits atop of our sun. I first discovered it last year. I can trace it back to 2006. The information doesn't go past 2014. This object swirls and sways atop of our sun for years. Where does this object come from? Was it an interstellar traveler that got caught in the gravitational pull of our sun? What is it made out of? How can it withstand all that heat and pressure? Is this the ninth planet? I estimate that it is about half to 3/4 the size of planet Earth. I cannot find any information on this planet-sized object. It has not been talked about. I cannot believe that it has not been talked about. I'm the only one talking about this object. Tell me what you think about this. Please like and subscribe. This is Terry with Terry's Theories. Terry out.